Well, from a career in culinary to a career in the classroom, high schools around the school district offer a CTE program called Teaching and Training. At Rancho High School, more than 300 students are enrolled in that great program. And here is what makes it unique. Rancho also offers real-world experience as part of Rancho's Future Educators Academy.
The purpose is to inspire students at the early age of 14 to become teachers.
Inside Rancho High School's Future Educators Academy.
This is an internship classroom where students come and they prepare for their student teaching internship.
High school students are hard at work. Students like senior Alvin Jimenez.
The Future Educators Academy at Rancho High School is, in my opinion, the biggest kept secret in CCSD.
And senior Aaliyah Lopez.
In my culture, it's more like you finish high school and then that's it, like congrats, like that's the most you can get. But I feel like just being given the opportunity to go to college, it's like pretty amazing.
The Academy offers high school students a chance to earn college credit and learn firsthand what it's like to be a teacher in the Clark County School District.
I think growing our own teachers is important because we're growing loyal teachers. These are students who are from our communities and they understand the backgrounds and the values of CCSD students. So we are putting them out into the workforce, ready to work with students that they're already familiar with.
Twice a week, Rancho students leave the high school campus and travel just down the road to Ronnow Elementary School.
Every time she walks in, Miss Lopez, Miss Lopez.
At Ronnow, the high school students are paired with a teacher.
They already understand that she's here to teach them and she's also learning from them, which is a great opportunity I wish I had when I was in high school too.
And then help teach in the classroom.
When I started my internship over there, just like seeing all the children, you walk into the room, Miss Lopez, all the hugs, like it's really like what pushes me, and like I just know like I'm meant for it.
I have actually been investigating for over a decade on how to recruit and retain teachers.
Shelley Cruz Crawford is a principal at Ronnow Elementary School.
Yeah, we know apprenticeship models work, and when our students get to see what this job looks like, it does two things. It inspires them to become educators, and it also tells them like, hey, maybe this isn't for me, and they get to shift their career path in a timely manner before they go to college.
For Aaliyah, the experience has not only inspired her to teach,
Miss Lopez, she helps us,
but to teach in Las Vegas.
Yes, I want to say in CCSD, I can relate to a lot of the students. At Ronnow, my dad went there to school. I grew up with the CCSD, so I feel like it's truly mind-changing. Like I want to be their role model. I want to be someone they can look up to.
The Academy provides valuable real-world experience.
As a teacher, you're always learning. Every day you learn something new, and I think that's just the beauty in it.
And exposes high school students to what could become a lifelong and rewarding career.
They're going to be fabulous teachers. They're going to be better than me one day. They are. They're just fabulous.
What an amazing program. There are currently 21 Rancho High School students that intern at Ronnow Elementary School. Because of the dual enrollment college credits earned while in the teaching and training program, these wonderful students have collectively saved $141,000 in tuition. But here is the best part. Nevada Assembly Bill 428 created a tuition reimbursement program for students who graduate from a teaching and training program, attend college in Nevada, and then teach 2 years as a licensed teacher in the Clark County School District. That is pretty incredible.